Hey everyone, it's time to put your Excel skills to the test with the latest GoSkills challenge. With us today is our Excel expert Claudia Buckley. Check out her challenge and good luck.
Hey everyone, it's time for another Excel challenge. This time we're talking about getting a chart's data range to update itself whenever new values are added to the source data. Sometimes we call that dynamic behavior. So for instance here, we want this chart to only show the last 3 months of data. And whenever a new month is added, we want to drop the older months and only show the last 3 on the chart. Maybe you know how to do this and maybe you don't. If you do, tell us now. If you don't, then head over to our Slack channel and ask our community. I'll share my solution next week. See you then.
So, do you have what it takes to successfully complete this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the files you need. Let us know your progress or any suggestions you might have in the comments section below. Or even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And if you want to know Claudia's solution, subscribe to this channel. And when we release the solution video, you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how to solve the challenge. So good luck, everyone.